Have you ever walked up to a pull-up bar, looked up, and then just kept walking? I bet you it's because one of these three reasons, if not all of them. 1, because you didn't want to try. 2, because you didn't want to fail in front of everyone. Or 3, maybe you tried, you pulled as hard as you could, and you barely moved. If you say yes to either one or all three of these reasons, there's something you need to hear. A pull-up is not a test of your worth, your age, or whether you're out of shape. It's simply a skill that depends on several physical abilities working together. The mistake you're probably making is assuming you're just not strong enough. But in reality, there are 5 common reasons people cannot do a pull-up. Today, I'll help you figure out which one is holding you back, how to test it, and exactly what to do about it. Reason number 1 is your relative strength isn't there yet. A pull-up is not just about strength. It's about moving your entire body through space. That means 2 people with the same exact upper body strength can have very different pull-up abilities if one is carrying more body weight. This is not about chasing a certain number on a scale or trying to look a certain way. It's just simply physics. How do you know if this is the problem? If you can do heavy lat pull downs or rows in the gym, but you struggle the moment your own body becomes the weight, relative strength is probably your limiting factor. What's the solution? Instead of trying more pull-ups, try building your pull-up strength with rows and pull downs, while gradually improving your body composition through constant nutrition and training. You don't have to become lighter. You have to become stronger relative to your body weight. Reason number 2, your shoulder blades don't know what to do. This surprises almost everyone. Most beginners think a pull-up starts by bending the elbows, but it doesn't. The pull-up starts with your shoulder blades. If they don't pull down and back first, your arms end up trying to do all the work. How do you know if this is a problem? Hang from a pull-up bar. Without bending your elbows, can you raise your body just an inch? If not, this is probably your weakest link. And don't feel bad. Almost nobody teaches this. So what's the fix? Practice scapular pull-ups, straight on pull downs, or chest supported rows. Mastering shoulder control often makes your first pull-up feel dramatically easier. Reason number 3, your grip quits before your back. Sometimes your back isn't strong enough to do a pull-up, but your hands just can't hold on long enough for it to happen. Your grip is literally the connection between you and the bar. If your hands give out first, your back never gets a chance to work. So here's the test to see if this is the problem. Think about your last pull-up attempt. Did your fingers start opening before your back felt tired? Do you struggle to simply hang from the bar? If so, grip strength is probably holding you back. What's the answer? Easy. Add dead hangs, farmer carries, or tall hangs. The goal isn't to crush your forearms. It's to make hanging from a bar feel easy. Reason number 4, your core isn't stable enough. A pull-up is not just about upper body exercise. It's a moving plank. If legs are swinging, your hips are twisting, or you're kicking to get momentum, your body's leaking energy. How you know if this is the problem? Have someone record your pull-up attempt. If your body swings like a pendulum, or you have to kick your legs, your core isn't giving your upper body a stable platform. So what's the answer to fix this? Well, just train your core. Do exercises like hollow body holds, dead bugs, hanging knee raises. All these teach your body to stay rigid while your arms do the work. Reason number 5, you're practicing failure instead of building success. This may be the biggest mistake I see. People walk into the gym, grab the bar, fill 3 reps, and call it training. Imagine trying to learn the piano by only attempting to play Beethoven every day. Now, yes, you can say you are playing a piano, but to what end? Are you actually getting better, or are you just making noise? That's the same concept when it comes to pull-ups. How do you know if this is the problem? Ask yourself, outside of trying pull-ups, what are you actually doing to become better at pull-ups? If the answer is not much, there's your problem. What's the answer? Instead of testing yourself every workout, just build a piece. Do rows, scapular strength, grip, core stability, negatives. Then test your pull-up every few weeks, not every workout. You'll make far more progress that way without question. Be honest, what stopped you from working on your pull-ups? Is it strength, pain, being embarrassed to try, or you just don't know where to start? Let me know in the comments. There's no judgment here, just a place to get better. I answer all my comments. So here's the bottom line up front. If you've been avoiding pull-ups because you're afraid of failing, I get it. A lot of people stop trying because they assume missing one means they're weak or getting older. It doesn't. It just means you identified a skill you haven't built up yet. Remember, a failed push-up is not the end all be all. It's just feedback. Figure out which one of these 5 areas are holding you back. Train that, then come back and test it again. You don't need more motivation. You need the right answers to the test. If this video made sense, make sure you share and save it to someone else who needs to hear it. See you next video.